How to use Kittl beginner's tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be discussing about Kittl. I'm going to sign you up with it. I'm going to take you through it all and I'm going to show you how you can fully use it and create any type of art and design that you like. So what I want you to do is just sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end to properly know how to use Kittl. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, let's discuss what Kittl actually is. So Kittl is basically a designing software platform that you can find on Google or Opera or any browser of yours, and you can create any types of different designs you like. It's just like Canva. It's a very nice and simple drag and drop and drag and create and different editing style platform, and it's totally amazing. You can create any type of great art, digital designs that you want, or if you're in a digital marketing firm or a digital marketing company or even a digital company for that instance who creates art, then Kittl is amazing for you because you can use it to create any top-notch design you can. And many top designers around the world use the fonts that are provided on Kittl or use the elements that you can use on Kittl. And the best thing about Kittl is it has a free plan and you can access all templates and content at zero cost. There is an upgraded plan and you can choose to upgrade it if you are working on professional applications. If you're doing this for personal use, then I recommend using the free plan, but with paid plans, obviously you can download vector files, high resolution PDFs, and access premium features, but that is if you're working professionally. Now that we have familiarized ourselves with Kittl, now what we need to do is we're going to get right into it. So this is Kittl.com. This is what the main dashboard website looks like. Now, right off the bat, if we come down here, we can see all these different designs that were made by different users and look at how attractive and cool they look. Like, just look at them. The detail, the design, and all of them is amazing. And obviously, looking at this, you are wondering, how do I make this? And trust me, all of this that you see is made on Kittl. Everything, nothing is edited from out there. Look at all these different things. These are the coolest designs I have seen in a while. These are things that you find on Pinterest that people have made days making. So imagine making it in like a few minutes just using a great software platform that is totally free. So that is Kittl for you. Now, to start things off, you're obviously going to sign up with this first. Now, signing up is very free. You can sign up with your Gmail. So I'm just going to put in that and I'm going to put in a password that I can remember. Then I'm going to click on create free account. Now, once you click on create free account, what it's going to do is it's going to send you a verification email just to verify you. Now it says, let's get started. Choose a design to start. Now you can choose any single one of these designs. So let's say I like this one. So I'm going to choose this. And what it's going to do is it's going to take me to its editor where I can start editing this design. Now, obviously, it's not exactly like Canva, but it does provide you with a totally blank canvas that you can work around on. Obviously, it takes a few minutes to load because it's a lot going on at one place. So this is basically your site tab that you're going to use to make things. So this is where you can find your projects. Now, obviously, I just started, so I don't find anything. These are designs, and in designs, you can find different templates. And these are amazing and great templates, and I recommend you use them because they're just great. They're top notch and they look amazing. And if you go on T, obviously you can find all the different and amazing fonts that Kittl provides you with. And trust me, Kittl provides you with some great professional looking fonts and it makes your design look very vibey and trendy, and it just makes it look very amazing. And if you go on elements, we can see different elements. Obviously, you know what elements are if you use Canva, and if you don't, elements are basically different vector arts that you can add on your design just to make it look a bit more beautiful and a bit more nicer. As you can see, these stars, these are elements. This flare up here, This in the background, if I move this is an element. Let's move it back. Look better over here. And all these things that you see, these are elements. Now, obviously, this big "Hey Nicholas," these are the texts that you can change from here, as you can see. Now, if you come down here, these are uploads. In uploads, you can upload any type of image, PNG, JPG, SVG that you have. And let's say you want to edit something that you obviously have made by yourself, but it's not top notch. So you can upload it over here, and then you can start working on it. And this is photos. Now over here you can find the different trending photos, or you can search for them. For example, you want a landscape photo, you can just wait, I'm gonna fix the spelling. Yeah, you can search landscape and look at that. You could get all these amazing landscape photos that look great. So, and all you need to do is just click on them, and once you click on them, they get imported over here. So yeah, that is how easy it is to mess around with all these features. Now, let me teach you how you can do some basic stuff on Kittl. Now, obviously, to mess around, all you need to do is you're going to click on the text in a free template. Once you click on it, if you come up here in text colors, now let's say I want to change it. Now, obviously, there's three different types of colors. There's the background color, the foreground color, and there's the main shadow color. And you can mess around with all of it. Look at that. I can change it all just by coming over here. You can also change the border weight. You can change or mess with the opacity. Now, let's say I want the opacity to be at a 70%. Now look at that. Look at that. It's more dim and it's more translucent now. And if we come over here on Nicholas, we can again change the font. If you come up here, I'm going to change the font. Look at that. It changes the font and it makes it look much better and much greater. Look at that. And these are great funky fonts that you can use for any type of design that you want to do or create for anything. You can also change the text alignment. You can make it bold if you want to, or you can transform it. Let's say you want to make it look a bit curvy. All you need to do is you're going to click on custom, and from here on out you can totally change the alignment. As you can see, you can make it look into a much, obviously this doesn't look appealing at all, but you know what I'm trying to do. This is what you can make it look like. And you can also basically edit the transformation. You can invert the directions and do much more. And you can also change the background color. Now let's say if I want the background color to be a bit blue, so look at that. You can change it to a dark blue, and then you can also mess around with some more things. You can change the border weight if you want to of a text. You can change the font settings. Let's say I'll make it a bit wider. Look at that. That just makes it wider. I can again change the alignments, or I can just add different fonts or texts from here. Now let's say I like this text right here. I'll just click on it and look at that. It gets added, and from there on out, all you need to do is you can put it anywhere you like, and from there on out, just add in any random information that you want to. And once you've done that, there you go. There you have your very own design on Kittl. And that is basically how you can use Kittl to make all different great designs for yourself. And in the end, all you need to do is you're going to click on download. You're going to set the dimensions, and you're going to tell if you want to download it for PNG or JPG. I recommend PNG because it's just much more higher quality. Once you do that, just download it, and there you go. There you have your digital design, and that is how you use Kittl. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, and I hope you all have a great day. That was all from me, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.